Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to pump.fun in a few quick, easy steps. So without delaying any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your browser and go to the official site of pump.fun, which is basically www.pump.fun.com. This one here, you can see this website. Just go to it. Now you have to search for the Click Connect wallet. Click on the Connect wallet option. On the home page, look for the Connect wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click it. Begin the connection process. A list of compatible wallets will appear from the list. Select Phantom wallet. The Phantom wallet extension will prompt you to confirm the connection. Carefully review the permissions, and if everything looks good, click connect or approve. And if you need some help, you can connect their customer support. Your Phantom wallet is now connected to pump.fun. You can now track your transactions, make trades, interact with decentralized features on the platform, or seamlessly through your connected wallet. And that's everything you need to know about connecting your Phantom wallet to pump.fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.